What's going on, guys? We've got a really quick one for you today. We're going to be installing a couple of color filters from Color Clusterz on the display of the 09. The guys over at Color Clusterz reached out to me to see if I wanted to demonstrate and try out some of their color filters. This is their second version of this product. From what I understand, the colors are a little bit brighter and they're more resistant to damage from the sun. They sent me both the red version and the yellow version. I'm going to try them both out and show you how to install them. They're extremely simple to install. Basically, it requires only one 4mm Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. The process is pretty much the same among all years of the MT and FZ09. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first step is just going to be to remove this cover. The second step is going to be to remove the 3 bolts that hold the display to the bracket. Now we can pull back the boot that covers up the plug and unplug the LCD and remove it from its bracket. Next, we can remove the 7 screws that hold the LCD panel together. Okay, and now we're ready to open up the panel. Then we can pull out the digital board. Okay, now the filters will come with 2 different sides. You can see one side has a matte finish on it. That's the side that's going to go down facing the part that you're looking at. I'm going to install the red one first. So we'll put the matte finish facing down. And now we can put the panel back in. Put the back on. And reinstall the screws. Okay, and that's it. Installation is just the reverse of the removal. Okay, and lastly, I want to show you how to adjust the brightness on the display. It's really easy to do. You're going to hold down the select button while turning on the key. Keep it held down until you see these little circles on the screen. That indicates the level of brightness. So if you press the reset button, every time you press it, the screen will get brighter. That will be your maximum brightness, will be 6 dots on the screen, and of course 1 as the lowest brightness. With these color filters, I recommend that you put it on the maximum brightness. It's going to give you the best effect. Once you have it done, just press the select button and it goes back to normal display and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. It's really simple to do. It takes all of about 10 minutes to install. The guys at Color Clusterz are also working on the LCD polarizing filter. They're going to have them pre-cut so that all you have to do is remove the old filter, install the new ones, and it's good to go. So that'll make that process really simple for those looking to do the LCD flip. I do find that these color filters have a little bit more of an impact on the standard display, but I kind of like this as well. I'll have a link down in the description below to contact these guys. If you're interested in one, hit them up and let them know. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe.